Ready to turn those PC Optimum points into sweet savings? Let's dive right into how to redeem them online or in store. First, open your PC Optimum app or head to the PC Optimum website and log in. You'll want to navigate to the rewards section, usually found in the account dashboard. Now, check your points balance. You'll see how many points you have available to redeem. Most locations let you redeem in increments of 10,000 points, which is equal to $10. Use the slider or available options to select how many points you want to redeem. Carefully confirm the redemption amount before clicking the redeem button. Once you click, your points are converted into savings. For in-store redemptions, just let the cashier know you'd like to use your PC Optimum points before they start scanning your items. Scan your digital PC Optimum card from the app or provide your physical card at the checkout. The cashier will apply your chosen redemption amount to your total. It's that easy. Now you're saving money with PC Optimum points. That's all there is to it. Go forth and enjoy the rewards. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.